There are billions of Earth-like planets out there in the Milky Way, so why haven't we found any aliens yet? This is the Fermi Paradox. It's me, and this is my channel. There are billions of stars in the Milky Way, many of which have planets similar to Earth, and if life arose naturally on Earth, then it should have arisen on other planets too, right? Well, not necessarily. The argument goes that if there are so many stars and planets, we should have found some kind of life already, but we haven't. So where are they? There are lots of possible solutions to the Fermi Paradox, but they all come down to one. How likely is it for a species to reach our level of technological advancement? It's really hard to estimate. One way of looking at it is to consider how long it took us. Human civilization began around 12,000 years ago. We built our first rockets in the 1920s, and we reached the moon in the 60s. If another species went through the same process, it would take them at least as long. But there are a lot of assumptions in that argument, such as the idea that aliens would need to build rockets in order to find us, or that they choose to explore space, rather than focusing on domestic issues like, say, climate change. Of course, aliens might be able to develop technology much faster than we did, like faster than the speed of light, or maybe they're already here. Some people believe that UFOs are evidence of extraterrestrial life. But despite the fact that there have been countless UFO sightings, none have been confirmed. Another explanation for the Fermi Paradox is that even if aliens do visit Earth, they may not stick around long enough for us to notice. Maybe they're only here for a short time to observe us or to collect resources. Maybe they come from a dying planet and are searching the galaxy for a new home. Or maybe they're refugees fleeing a destructive war or natural disaster on their homeworld. Maybe they're here, but we're just not looking in the right places. There are lots of places to hide, like underground or in the oceans, or disguised as humans. Some people even claim that we're being deliberately kept in the dark by a secret government organization. Or maybe life really is rare. Maybe it takes very specific conditions to produce life or intelligence or both. Maybe we just got lucky. Or maybe there's something else preventing species from becoming like us or further. Maybe there's some great filter preventing species from becoming like us or further. We might cause our own extinction or that of our planet through climate change or nuclear war or some other great catastrophe. Maybe intelligent life tends to destroy itself before it can get very far out into the universe. Or maybe the universe really is empty. Maybe we really are alone. It's hard to say which of these possibilities, if any, is correct. But the Fermi Paradox shows us that there are a lot of assumptions in thinking about alien life. As we search for life beyond Earth, we should remember that there are a lot of ways that it might appear, not just what we see around us. Okay, but what do you think? Are there aliens out there? Let me know in the comments. This is the last episode of SCI Show Space 4. Subscribe, like and comments.